My name is Fifou, and I am the scientific advisor of Setamada NGO in Madagascar. We organized the Humpback Whale World Congress in Réunion Island. It's very important that the whale watching have to be doing in a good way with guideline. And first of all, I have to notice that in Madagascar, in my country, we have the chance to have a law. It's not guideline only, it's really a law, and this is the base of of all we do in Madagascar about organization of whale watching. So with this law we can train volunteers, train guide to become the people who's going to guarantee sustainable whale watching and a good respect of the guideline on all the boat of the operator, of the whale watching operator. So this is the goal of Setamada. And after we also do citizen researches, and we use this boat, and it's a big chance to have this boat in disposition for science. And we can really collect important data, like also photo ID and for different marine mammals, and also genetic samples with the passive system. So we can really respect the code, respect the approach, and take fantastic and important data collecting. And we also can produce scientist paper with the PhD student, master student, with the whale watching boat. If this whale watching boat is respecting all this line, it's also because we also we are very close from the whale watching operator and help them to increase the economy of whale watching with a very good communication and respect of the rules for this operator, this whale watching operator, who is partner of Setamada. I think one important thing is to have a guide training by an organization. This guide have to be in each boat, and this guide is the focus about the respect and the data collect, and this guy is also going to be there to a little bit control the whale watching operator, and so this guide is really the key of the development of a good whale watching. And in our country, the guide, we have to have a guide in each boat. This is the rules, this is the law. So you have to respect to respect the law is to have this guide. And this guide is training by an NGO for the government and welcome in the whale watching boat. It can be volunteers, it can be paid, it depends on the whale watching operator, but it has to be on each boat. So this is the key to respecting a really sustainable whale watching.